What a game, Chubby. I'm telling you, the Checkers are taking it all this year. No, Chubby, we gotta go to the front door. Chubby! Buddy, we gotta go to the front door. All right, have fun.
Hey, Charlie.
How are you?
Good. Welcome to Charlotte.
You guys are living a dream out here.
Yeah, come on in. Well, Charlie, welcome to one of our 5 got-to-go luxury stays here in Charlotte. Right now, we're standing in one of our 3-story townhouses, 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, with a rooftop here in the Wesley Heights section of Charlotte. So on the main floor, when you walk in, you have a full bedroom with 2 beds in it downstairs, a full bath, an entryway that leads out to the pool. Then you come up the stairwell over here. You're on the main living area where the kitchen, living rooms, multiple TVs. Obviously, you can see pool table as well. 3rd floor, you have laundry, 2 more bedrooms, 2 beds in it, 1 with a king bed in it. The primary bedroom is a king ensuite with a full shower, and then the last staircase brings you to the rooftop. We've got the garage downstairs is a full game room arcade. It's got air hockey, basketball, retrograde arcade game that has 17,000 games built into it, and also a golf game. Next door, as you know, Chubby enjoyed, we were rolling some dice over there.
Go home.
We got roulette, crouch table, blackjack table, and I think Chubbs won pretty big over there, didn't he?
Come on, man.
Double zero.
What is it with this guy? He hit big, but I'll tell you what, he didn't do so hot in the sauna.
No, he did not. He was sweating and he ran away. I think he got mad at you for that one.
Little sauna sesh, best recovery we could have. Oh man, let's check this thing out. Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Just give it a chance, Chubb. Give it a chance. It's not meant for a polar bear.
It's not.
That's the thing. But I'll tell you what, you have some of the best views in the city across your property collection on these roofs.
Yeah, of course. So yeah, this one has a rooftop up there, and I think you're gonna meet my business partner up there and chat about everything that goes on up there.
I'd love to check it out.
All right.
Let's hit it.
What's up, Charlie?
What's going on, Craig? Lounging, I see.
Chilling.
I guess that's easy for you guys up here, huh? Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Man, I'd say I gotta go, but we're right here where we need to be. Tell me a bit about these rooftops and how you guys decided to dial up this experience.
So when I started seeing the rooftops being built over near the stadium where we have the other 3 that you stayed at, I talked to my partner, Brian, and it was kind of along the lines where I wanted to, grow the app and have our own properties in the app as well. And the rooftops are just beautiful.
So you founded the company and you love to do luxury travel, and a lot of it's based around sports and your own personal life, and you've kind of folded that all into your brand.
Yeah, I wanted a one-stop shop of the way I love to travel, which I love concerts, sporting events, from NASCAR here in the city to, Formula One, NFL. I have season tickets to the Panthers, season tickets to the Dolphins. So I wanted an app where it would save money on the fees and you could go and book both the tickets and your stay, whether it be in a hotel or an actual short-term rental like ours at the same time. And you can see how close you are to the stadium. So our map actually shows you the tickets to the event and shows you where the closest hotel or short-term rental is all in one shot.
Man, you're doing it right.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.